So yeah, there's definitely the process, right? There's the 543 and all the structure that comes with working through the sales process, how to handle objections, all those different things. But the other thing that we focus on at FPG is that mindset element, right? The idea of coaching the mindset of the sales team, removing leashes. Can you talk a little bit about maybe how you've seen that idea impact the team?
Well, it's interesting because I know on every sales team, you're going to have a number of people that do have a growth mindset, that more of a can-do approach to how they're going to go out there and conquer a sale and work with a prospect. But you'll also have certain individuals that may have a fixed mindset. So they're more maybe glass half full versus glass half empty versus half full. And I think what you've seen with our team is that even though we're in a challenging market, and we've been in this challenging market since 2015. I mean, it's not like it's only been the last year. I mean, we've been really pushing hard. So every sale is a warrior sale. There are no market sales in this market, especially right now, what we're dealing with the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. I mean, it's about as challenging as you can get. So the reality is the team itself collectively, I believe, has a very, very can-do approach to their growth mindset. But when you look at the leashes that they may have, everybody has leashes, everybody has reluctances, everybody has some challenges. And what this has done for me is it's helped me identified for me what are those key leashes that they have and what are the things that I can do to maybe help them through that and work with them so they can get better. And if we can eliminate those leashes and they can be more productive, well, that not only helps them as an individual, but it helps us as a company. And again, it's a win-win for both sides because in a lot of cases, the process on how you are able to help identify what those leashes would be in the sales process, it now allows me to really work with them on a coaching perspective to try to work that out of them.